Home Remedies presents How to Cleanse Your Lungs Naturally. Healthy lungs play a vital role in the rest of the body. Our lungs are prone to several infections caused due to increasing levels of pollution, seasonal changes, chemical exposure, or viruses. In fact, according to statistics, around 4 million people die succumbing to respiratory ailments. Lungs are self-cleaning organs. Let's see some effortless remedies to cleanse your lungs. Mint tea. Mint is an age-old remedy to treat respiratory issues. A cup of mint tea proves to be of immense help for curing sore throat by breaking down mucus deposition and inflammation caused due to lung infections and pneumonia. Mint contains menthol, which is beneficial for the treatment of lung cancer as well. You can also chew 4 to 5 leaves every day for better results. Green tea. An easy remedy to cleanse your lungs is to drink green tea. Green tea contains many antioxidants that may help reduce inflammation in the lungs. Try to consume at least 2 cups of green tea daily. Ginger. One of the most widely used home remedies to cure cough and cold, ginger has been known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which helps in removing toxins from the respiratory tract. It contains magnesium, vitamins, zinc, potassium, and beta-carotene. You can make ginger tea to get immediate relief. Honey. The goodness in honey is derived from its antibacterial properties, which help to soothe the respiratory tract during infections. Honey may also reduce inflammation in the bronchial tubes and help break up mucus that is making it hard for you to breathe. Garlic. Garlic comes with a powerful antibiotic agent called allicin, which helps to get relief from respiratory infections, breathlessness, and congestion. It also helps reduce inflammation, improves asthma, and reduces the risk of lung cancer. Turmeric. Turmeric helps in reducing the inflammation in the air passage. The presence of curcumin in turmeric detoxifies the body, which results in stronger immunity. You can drink turmeric milk once a day. Drinking this milk will keep diseases far. Carrot juice. Carrot juice can be considered a great option for detoxification of our lungs, as it is both filling and has a low caloric value. 250 ml of carrot juice every day before breakfast not only helps in promoting general lung health but also protect the respiratory system from the risk of infection and aids to counter the unhealthy side effect of smoking. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.